Every day, millions of Americans must make the choice between paying rent
We're behind on rent.
We gotta pay the mortgage.
or buying groceries.
I live paycheck to paycheck, and sometimes that doesn't even cut it.
So we got spaghetti with no meat. Are you serious?
Opportunity Knocks is back with our 3 esteemed coaches and 6 new underestimated families to create a personalized journey
Are you gonna do what I ask you to do?
that everyone watching can benefit from.
I'm just hopeful that I won't always be struggling.
Through these families' experiences,
This is an emergency.
you will see that a better life is possible with the tools that they are provided.
And we're gonna turn your life around like you have no idea.
Are the obstacles that these families are facing too much?
Your mom is sick too.
A loan that I attained online, interest rates like 600 something.
What I'm seeing is almost 700%.
You're looking at bankruptcy.
Or will their coaches help them open the door when opportunity knocks?
You have more face to do today?
Yeah, girl. I got a few.
I am Erika Coleman. I am from New Orleans, Louisiana, aka NOLA. Okay.
So what you gonna get? I know you like glam.
Do your magic. You know I like.
I do makeup for people because I started playing with makeup, fell in love with it, and then when I got sick in 2019, I had cancer, and I started like really getting glam with it.
Everybody always want what I have.
Right, just your fault. So,
That's why we come to you. Look at
Right.
you. You're a walking billboard.
So now I need to have my makeup like yours.
When I would go to my chemo treatments and the ladies would be like, oh, you look so pretty. Have you even lost your hair or anything? I'm like, yeah. And once I started doing like their makeup, they felt good about their stuff. So it just made me fall more and more in love with it. So I just started getting more creative with it and just, I can't live without it. It's a part of who I am.
So did I tell y'all about this new adventure that I'm about to start?
No.
It's exciting.
What's going on?
When I was going through cancer, it was like one of the hardest times in my life because not only was I going through cancer, my father was going through cancer at the same time. As y'all know, I've had like issues with like finance since my dad died, you know, when I started taking out loans when I first started trying to have a service for him when he passed away. I never actually took in that I even had cancer because I didn't even have time to think about myself. I was more like worried about like my dad, making sure that he was good. Taking out loans, kept getting back and forth into debt. Then COVID hit. So, it kind of put me behind with stuff. So I saw an opportunity and I wanted to sign up for it to see if I could get help because I need help. Okay. I'm like tired of like struggling, trying to figure out like how I'm gonna do this and that, trying to make ends meet. Because of course y'all know I pretty much take care of my mom. So now that my dad passed away, it's like now I'm in a position now that I have to take care of my mother. So I'm going to be meeting up with a financial coach named Miss Patrice. Awesome. And she's going to help me like pretty much get my life in order. Like my mom, she can't really work. So that kind of like fell on me. And I mean, it's my mom, I don't mind. Because she's taking care of me pretty much like my whole life. So that just means I got to hustle harder. Just last week, my car got taken away. So hopefully Miss Patrice could help me, get my finances together so I can get another car, get my car. I feel like life has gut punched me so many times, and to actually get an opportunity to put me on the right path, like, it's like so exciting because it's like, damn, like life is finally giving me something back.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about the car situation.
Yeah, life happens.
In my life, I feel like if I do the work, my life can change. It's like, I feel like at this point, it's really up to me to set the standards for how I want my life to be. I'm excited to meet Miss Patrice.
She is.
Because she like seemed like I looked her up and stuff. She seemed like a very powerful woman. So I can't wait to see what it's like to have all my finances in place and not be in no type of debt. Yeah,
Right,
definitely a big
relax.
breather. Huh? Yeah, she's very pretty too. I'm gonna do her makeup. is Patrice. She's pretty, she's slim, she's a powerful woman. I feel like she's gonna get on me.
So, Erika, why am I here?
Because I'm struggling, I need help.
We need help? What's
Yes.
going on? Catch me up.
Financially, like I'm like in a lot of debt. Just need help like learning how to like manage money and help get out of debt. And I feel like I have so many talents, but I'm stuck at a 9-to-5 that's keeping me from like, I guess, growing.
So what do you do at your 9 to 5?
So my 9-to-5, I work at condos. I work the front desk at condos, and when I'm getting off, I do like a lot of bling stuff for clients. Like I have makeup clients or hair clients.
This makes sense. Okay, okay. This makes
I'm a
sense.
bling girl.
Yeah. I'm excited that we got paired together. Okay, are there any other hidden talents I should know about?
Besides makeup and nails and stuff, no.
Wait, nails too?
Yeah, I
You
do
didn't say
nails,
nails. Oh my gosh. Wait a
I
minute.
started doing all this because I was like, I'm trying to save on money, and that's what made me go to beauty school, because I felt like I was spending too much money.
You've also been to beauty school?
Yeah, I went to beauty school. And I make clothing. I have like 3 sewing machines, and I decorate people's houses sometimes.
Okay, wait. Okay.
And I'm not understanding why I'm making the money.
Okay. I mean, well, my first thought is you might be spreading yourself very
I am.
thin. So let me just make sure I got it. Okay. So hair and makeup, you're a walking billboard. This seems like a no-brainer. And then your home is beautiful. So you also do decorating?
Yeah, I decorate people's houses where I work at since I'm already there.
For free?
Yeah, I be doing it free. And I shouldn't.
Yeah. And then what else was it? Sewing?
Yeah, so I make clothes. I sew clothing and stuff for people.
You sound like a full-service stylist.
Yeah.
So you're already giving so much at the 9 to 5, and then you're taking on all of these hobbies.
Yeah.
Because they're not a business yet, because you're not treating it like a business. You're treating it like this thing I like to do.
Yeah.
Because I'm good at it, and that's what a lot of us do, right? We take our gifts, and then we diminish the actual value and impact they have by treating it like, oh yeah, I'm available, I can do it, so.
Yeah.
Okay, so you said you need help managing debt?
Dad, me and my dad both had like cancer at the same time. He didn't have insurance, so I started getting behind because I had to make sure he was straight. My dad pretty much died like the last day of my chemo treatment, and I got in a lot of debt, just taking loans out like to do the funeral.
Oh, wow. So it's a personal loan that you
Yeah.
have, essentially? What about any other debt, like car loans,
Student loans, my car just got taken.
What do you
So,
mean it just got taken?
got
Repossessed?
Yeah.
How recent was this?
This was last week.
Last week. Oh, my God. I feel like we're here, like, right on time.
Yes.
Okay. And so how did you get behind on the car note?
Just paying other bills, trying to catch up, paying my mama bills.
Why are you paying your mom's bills?
Because she don't get no income.
What's going on with mom?
I just being sick.
Your mom is sick too?
Yeah, I just being sick, not getting like Social Security, so like everything just falls on me.
Oh my goodness.
My car just got taken.
What do you
so
mean it just got taken?
got
Repossessed?
Yeah.
How did you get behind on the car
Just
note?
paying my mama bills.
Why are you paying your mom's bills?
Because she don't get no income.
What's going on with mom?
I just being sick.
Your mom is sick too?
Yeah, I just being sick, not getting like Social Security, so like everything just falls on me. My car got repossessed because I was behind, because it's like, of course I had other bills. It's like, what do I pay, rent, or do I pay for the car, or do I pay my mom's or mine?
So you're paying her rent too?
Yeah, I help her out with like all her bills and stuff, yeah. I mean, she's always worked, but when the pandemic hit, she got like laid off. I applied for Social Security because she can't really work because she's on oxygen and stuff, but kept getting denied.
Did you get any support with filling out the paperwork? Is there a
No,
possibility?
I applied online. I went up there and it would be like, They told me she was denied, then we went back up there and appealed it, and they was like, she may get it, she may qualify for, I think it was disability, but she just never got it. And every time I would call, they would be like, we're processing it, we're gonna see, so it's like.
Just a runaround.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're trying to maintain your household and her household. Is there even an opportunity for you all to live together?
Me and my mom can't live together. If
Listen,
it was bigger, if it was a different style house, yeah, I just can't.
Yeah, okay. Just wondering. Okay, wow. So how much are these car payments?
So my car payment is $600.
Dang, $600. Okay, so what was our credit doing?
Ooh, it was bad.
The credit was already bad?
Yeah, it was bad.
Okay, when we got the car?
Yeah.
So now that we're behind, I'm sure it's only gone down further. Do you know around what credit score you have?
Maybe 4 or 5, I don't know.
400 or 500. Okay, so I'm sure that's also then impacting your car insurance.
Yes, so it makes it higher.
Yeah. Okay, and what did you print out here for me?
I print out pretty much my whole life story.
You printed out your whole life story?
Look, everything I owe, everything I'm in debt with.
Well, the first thing I see, it looks like baby, this Amazon. What is happening on Amazon every other day?
Every stuff I need, like products and stuff. So, and then little stuff I need too that I want.
So is this products for the passion
yes.
that you're not charging people enough for?
Yes.
How much a month do you estimate you're using to support your mom?
Maybe like 5 to 6, or sometimes more, just depends.
500 or 600?
Yeah.
That was the car note.
Yeah.
Yeah. I definitely know what it's like to have to make a choice between, am I gonna pay this? Or am I gonna pay that? You know? So for me, this is very full circle. I think I live like 5 minutes away from here in a 600 square foot apartment, and I had eviction notices every month. I chased the power man down with my baby on my hip, begging him to turn the lights back on. And so when I'm sitting here looking at you, I feel like you make it look very pretty.
I do.
And there's nothing glamorous about living with that type of stress.
It's not.
You know, it's heavy.
Seeing her cry made me cry. It made me feel like, damn, somebody actually went through this. It's okay to tell your story. Like, you shouldn't hide when you're going through something. It's okay to, like, talk about it and share it with somebody.
I have found in working with clients over the years that sometimes when you don't feel like you have complete control over different parts of your life, you try to control the things you can. So
that makes sense.
You're controlling your appearance because that's what you can, right?
Yeah.
But I also believe that at some point we got to come to a place where we're going to choose peace over appearances.
I agree.
Which means while we're working together, I am going to assert that you probably have more than enough hair, lashes, makeup, jewelry, bedazzled goods, and all the things. You have more than enough to create different looks and be the vibe that you want to be. But we have to get focused and take this seriously. Because if we don't slow down, what happens?
I'm being more dead.
More dead, and maybe at your mama's house.
Yeah, and I don't want to go there full time. No.
Meet Miss Rachel.
Walking up to the New Orleans Firemen Federal Credit Union, I'm nervous because I'm going through a lot right now and I really need the help.
So what brings you in today?
So I found out about the CDFI on Opportunity Finder, and I just needed a little help with a couple of things like personal loans, my credit cards. I made some notes because I don't want to forget anything.
Do you know what a CDFI is?
No, not really sure what a CDFI is, if you don't mind explaining.
A community development financial institution.
Okay.
We help members get back on track in life and rebuild after life happens.
Yeah, and life has happened for me, and I definitely need help.
Tell me a little bit what happened in life that got you to this point.
So, taking out personal loans and just my car loans, interest rate high, just needing help with credit repair and like building it because my credit is really low, so I definitely need help with those things like that.
And what type of interest rates do you currently have?
Like 30% high.
Oh, wow. That's really high.
And I definitely need help with like budgeting. So I'm not a spend, but I have a big problem with budgeting.
Okay, we can definitely help you with that. Are you open to us viewing your bank statements and looking at everything over for
I
you?
actually brought copies of those.
Okay. And did anything happen in life to get you to this position?
Yeah, so recently my car got repossessed and I
Oh my
needed help with
gosh. So your car is currently repossessed?
Yes, it's currently repossessed.
And what happened that your car got repossessed?
Just being late on payments.
What caused those payments to become late?
Just having bills, like paying my bills, my mom bills, and just like...
You're saying that you're taking care of your mom. What's going on there?
So my mom don't get any income once she had got laid off because she got sick.
Okay.
So she wasn't able to go back to work, so it kind of like fell on me.
And you said your car just recently got repossessed?
Yes.
Did they work out any plan with you?
No.
I'm glad you came to us. We are here to help. Our philosophy is people helping people, and we would love to see you get back on your feet.
As I'm talking to Miss Rachel, I'm like, oh, she's so sweet. She's making it comfortable for me, and like by her being like all nice to me and smiling, just asking me about me, it just made it comfortable.
Okay, I'm gonna go speak with another underwriter, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll talk about a few things and a few opportunities for you, okay? I'll be right back.
All right, thank you. I'm nervous, I feel a little overwhelmed, because like I have a lot riding on this. I'm hoping that they change my life.
Hey, Erika.
Hi.
So we got with underwriting. We went back and forth. We tried to look at some opportunities for you. And I think we have something that you're gonna be very excited about today, okay? We're gonna go ahead and offer you a loan.
Okay.
And to go ahead and pay off your car. And all the higher interest loans that you were speaking about, we're gonna pay that off in with the car as well.
Okay.
So you're gonna have one loan, and you will be saving almost $650 a month. And I'm so excited for you.
I'm excited too. That's a lot. It's good.
It is. And
That's a big change for me.
You're getting your car back.
Yes.
How does that make you feel?
Good, because I need it. Thank you so much.
I have the goosebumps.
I know,
I'm so
trying
excited.
not to cry.
Yeah, I can give you a hug. Oh, I'm so excited for
Thank you so much. And I'm crying. It's like exciting because the New Orleans Firemen Federal Credit Union, I feel like they pretty much saved my life. I feel like they opening doors for me. This lady really giving me a break in life. Like I feel like weight is lifted off me. Yeah, I can get back on track now. I'm gonna get my car back. And I'm gonna get to build my credit up, so I'm excited about that.
It was definitely a pleasure meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. I'm a hugger.
Yes, New Orleans, right?
Yes, we hug.
Oh, God.